Hi guys, today we're going to talk about the impact driver and we're going to teach you about it, and always safety first. Look at this. No, this part is the motor. This is what moves everything. Now the handle's right here, like right here, and this is the trigger. You gotta press this button. I don't know where I'm getting all these ideas from. Trust me, I'm alone. Now this is called the chunk. It's called a chunk. You see this part, guys? Like this part with the metal thing? Yeah, this part. It's called the chunk. And this is the battery, basically. This bottom part is the battery. And now we're going to show you about the forward and reverse switch. So now look, if you want to make it go backwards and not make it go this way, then you can just press this button with the arrow pointing at it, and then it goes the other direction. They're LED lights actually. And these invisible rays look very cool. So now we're gonna turn this on. Now we're gonna show the bit types of it on the video. So I just put in a picture now. Now, also, safety first. That actually hurts my eyes. And also, I have never showed you this, but this is an entrance to a horror movie. And also, my brother's watching COCOmelon. This is the Phillips head bits. Like this part, it has the Phillips. You guys already probably know by the shape because the screwdriver video. Should have watched it. And always like and subscribe. And now I'm gonna show you how to take it out. So here, you guys see me, right? Right here, you guys see me. With this hand, you gotta put it like this. Pull it like forward, like I am. And then you can take it out like this, easily. Take it out. So now we're going to be talking about the flat head bits. You guys probably already know about all of this. This is the flat head bits. I didn't really want to put it because it's too small for it. And now we're going to show you guys the TORX bit. And the TORX bit is some of these. I'm just going to find out. Yeah. No, not this. This. This is the TORX bit. I keep getting confused. So this is the TORX bit. It's a star, basically. Now we're going to be talking about the hex head bits. This is the hex head bit. Hex is it's a shorter name for hexagonal. This is the square drive bit. And at the end of the video, I'm going to the horror movie. So watch to the end. Now look, this is the flat square. Now we're gonna be learning about the big stuff. This is the drill bit. This is used to make big holes like this. Okay, so now we're gonna be teaching you about the space bit. This is a space bit. They're like different sizes and they have numbers on them. And now we're gonna be using the space bit. Wait, no, I already told you that, guys. Yeah, I already told you it. Actually, no. I just want to tell you it again. If you already seen it, fast forward. It's very hard. Very, very hard. It literally moves it. Look what it does. That does a lot more damage than this. A lot more damage. Now we're gonna be using the counter drill bit. It's called the counter drill bit. It's very small. I mean, it's not tall or something, but you could put it here. It's used to make this shape. Now these are the bit extensions. These are called the bit extensions. They're all different sizes. They're different sizes and they're more. Because you know what these do? These hold up very small ones. Like this minus sign, I just forgot it, but it can hold it up and then you can put it here and then it reaches some more. So, and this is another type of extension magnet. And also, stay tuned to watch me go to the Nightmare Land. So now, so this is how, there's a part over here. And it's used to put things like down or diagonal or whatever place you want to go. So if you guys have never seen me without glasses before, this is how I look like. I look like a plain man, grown man, without ears. Get it? Now, safety doesn't really make me see that well, and you gotta use it. You gotta use it. Now we're gonna use this. And for this, I'm using the hexagonal. And this is also, if you didn't know, this is also, look, it has a name here. It's called I named it, by the way. So now we're gonna do the screw. I could do it that way, which works pretty bad. I don't know why. Now we can take it out like this. I think I took it too much. But I want to use this instead of the screwdriver, probably. Sorry for the screwdriver fans. This actually is kind of goofy doing it. We're going to drill a hole with the drill bit. This does a lot of things on wood. It breaks it fast. Well, it tears it apart, actually. So now, you got to put some pressure in with your hand, like push it. And then it's going to work perfectly. Just like this. And then to take it out, you use the same strategy that we used to use. That we already showed you guys. There you go. And look at this emotional damage. All of these were just by this. Sorry, it was called spade. But this is the spade bit. A lot harder. A lot harder than what we just saw. Look what it actually does. It does a ginormous hole. But first you gotta face it this way. And now you gotta wait for it. Just wait for it. Whoa! Oh my god! There we go. Look at how much damage this literally did. This did this much damage to just this. And guys, no wait, like I promised, I'm going to the nightmare world. So now, I'm going to the nightmare world with you guys. I'm gonna take off my safety goggles. And we're going to the nightmare world. Can't really see anything. I feel like Funky Friday.